Today I'm going to be talking about installing stair treads and risers at a restaurant that I'm currently working on. So as you can see, we're bringing in all the materials and we are going to go up the stairs, just take a look at what we're working with. This is the temporary staircase that was put in to get a temporary certificate of occupancy, allowing us to do some work in there. And I'm actually going to be installing these using a jig. I would highly recommend finding a jig that works for you to install any kind of stair treads or risers. This particular one is all wood, all adjustable. It's actually called a Stair Wizard. First step on this process, because our rise and run was actually incorrect, we had to remove all of the existing construction treads. First thing after that will be bringing the jig up and aligning that into the space, the opening of the tread. That's where this jig is extremely handy. Literally adjusting knobs, putting it into place, it naturally will find the angles that you need. It creates a template, an exact template, to then transfer over to the stair tread and make the cut. As you can see here in a little more detail, we're just adjusting for every tread because every tread is cut individually and fit individually. Now that we have the reference made, we will tighten everything down, pick up the jig, remove it from our stairs, and take it over to the tread or riser. We'll lay it down as a template. I'm checking my overhangs here. And then simply take a pencil line and mark the outside of the template that I just made. Just being able to see the line is the only critical thing that matters here. Next, I will take it to a miter saw and adjust and find that line. It could be 1 degree, it could be 2 degrees, whatever it is, right on 90. And then we will fit and fiddle until every one of these treads goes in. On this particular staircase, we had drywall, the white portion of the wall that extended further than the gray portion. So we had to fight the treads quite a bit to get them in, but overall I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. Because of this concrete landing, we had to make our treads level with that and extend it up all the way to the second half of the staircase. Overall, very pleased with how they turned out. These are ash treads and risers, and I just think they really pop with the lighting. This is one of my favorite shots. There you have it. Restaurant stairs in a day. Pretty happy with how it turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed that brief explanation of how to install stair treads. It's a little different than a home in the commercial environment with those metal brackets that you saw. But in the home, you still need a jig. You still got to cut those treads at whatever angle the wall is to match. And that's where this tool came in extremely handy. The Stair Wizard is just a brand that I picked up. It had good reviews. There's lots of other stair tread jigs along with making your own, but those are critical elements when you go to install the stair treads to make sure that whatever weird angle the wall is, you have a template to cut to. So I would highly recommend picking up some sort of jig or making your own. The advantage to these type of jigs is they've been engineered, they're made, they're quick, and they're easy, and they're perfect. They work great. Another cool thing that I've use this on is adding some extensions and using it for floating shelves. So in between a cabinet where you're trying to figure out the wall angle and the length, this creates the template just like it was a stair tread. So in the end, jigs are very useful in the shop and on the job site or in the home. So I hope you found something useful from that video. Let me know if you have any questions, and hopefully I could get you an answer. Thanks for following along, and I appreciate you guys following me, subscribing, and checking out these videos. So thanks. Bye.